Okay, I would like to introduce Extramarks to you. Extramarks is a digital learning company which provides the solutions from K to 12. We have the content mapped for CBSE, IBSE and IB boards, and some of the states have been covered for the state boards. Here we have the content from nursery to class 12, and we have the content which is imbibed in the form of learn, practice and test. So here are certain videos which we can show to contain the entire part. So this is how my content is being briefed, where the learn, practice and test concepts are included, and the learning goes with the multiple intelligence factor.
Whole numbers,
where the student can actually relate the topic with the content.
In this module, we will first introduce
the entire content is
natural numbers
hyperlinked,
and their
which can
uses
showcase the videos
and the
audios
meaning of
available.
whole numbers.
Let
So the
us now
learning goes
understand
totally
the concept of predecessor and successor.
This is how the explanation part goes, followed by the working notes and the chapters. So the complete learning solutions is provided in the class.
Hello, this is the Extramarks tab that you see in front of you. We are partners with Microsoft. So basically what you see in the tab is you get your Extramarks content in it. This is specially designed for the students who use Extramarks in the school. So they can go back home and they can refer to the same content in their tab as well. For more information, you can go to extramarks.com and you can get information about the pricing of the tab and the online pack as well.
Hi, Extramarks has come up with a toddlers tab to control such notorious toddlers and bring in the creativity in them towards education. The toddlers tab we have launched is basically for the students who are in nursery and below nursery level, wherein how to recognize shapes, colors, alphabets, the jingles and the rhymes are a part of the same. If you haven't visited Vibrant Gujarat 2017, do visit us at extramarks.exhibitions.com. We support virtual exhibitions, we support Digital India.